All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour. We are on Anthem of the Seas, and this is a balcony ocean view room. All right, so when you come into the room, you have your thermostat here. You need to use your key card to put in a slot here in order to control all the lights in the room. So we have a full-length mirror here. We also have a let-out couch, desk area, do all of your makeup and things, or to sit there and if you have some work you need to do. Perfect for that. Another full mirror here. Some storage space, few drawers. We have a hair dryer here, some Kleenex, more drawer space. So we have 4 drawers there. No need to pull them all out. You know what a drawer looks like inside of it, right? Then we have a mini fridge here. Let's get this opened up. Actually, I think what we need to do with the mini fridge in order to get it open is probably locked right now, and probably have to set a code in order to get it open. So we'll get that taken care of later. But we have a mini fridge. Teapot. This is the first time I actually seen a teapot in a cabin on a ship. That's different. Okay. I don't know if somebody left that or what's the deal with it, but you have a teapot here, some teacups and spoons, sugar, tea, all of that good stuff. Bottled water. And then, of course, desk lamp. Have a TV on the wall here. I believe this is like a 40-inch TV here with a slot right below it. Put some menus or whatever. You can also store whatever you want to in there. Then this is 2 twin beds that they normally put together, make it into a king-size bed for you if that's how you want your bedding to be arranged. On each side of the bed, you have your lamps, bed lamps, some shelving over here, your phone and all of that. And you just turn the lights on, just like so. Here we have some storage space again, shelves. It's not a whole lot of space, I can tell you that, but some room to hang your things. You have a nice safe here. You put all your valuables in there. And then some more drawers down here, 2 drawers. And you see the soft clothes, right? And then on the other side of the bed, kind of the same setup. You have some storage space there. And then, of course, we have the balcony, y'all. So we'll go out here real quick. Nice balcony area, 2 chairs and your table out here. But check out this view, baby. Check it out. And do y'all see the Space Needle over there? Yes, that is the perfect view. Such a beautiful, beautiful view. I'm gonna take you back inside so I can give you a look at the toilet, or not the toilet, but the bathroom. All right, so here's your restroom. Shower area. It's a decent sized shower area with, you have a shower head, all of that, toilet, garbage, your sink area, nice size mirror, some shelves. Gave you some glasses and stuff over there. So just a standard size ship restroom. And of course you do have some more storage here that's right on the other side of the couch. So, okay, so here's more space for hanging clothing, because that one over there didn't have much, but this one here has more. So that works out. And this is a complete room tour of a ocean view balcony on the Anthem of the Seas, Royal Caribbean.